Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Anastasia Katili with NIM 452423044. I am from Class C, Geological Engineering Study Program, Gorontalo State University, with teaching lectures. There are SC Yayu Indriyawati Arifin, MSI. In this video, I will explain material regarding the explosion of geological gas resources. The first is the background. The use of natural gas as automotive fuel is widely used in developed countries. One of the main problems in using natural gas as motor fuel is the availability and continuity of natural gas supplies that are ready to be used as fuel. This study is the form of a preliminary design of the natural gas purification process, a study of the Cikarang a Pertamina marginal gas field in the West Java offshore area will be sought as raw material for mini LNG refineries. Definition of natural gas. Natural gas is a mix of hydrocarbon compounds and non-combustion compounds in the gas phase, with the main composition being methane, CH, ethane, CH, and small amounts of other hydrocarbon gas. Factors affecting geological gas resource potential. 1. Source of source rock. The type of rock in a particular area will influence the availability and characteristics of the resources. 2. Geological complexity, rock texture, porosity, and geological structure also play an important role in determining gas resource potential. 3. Replacement hydrocarbons. The explains of alternative hydrocarbon sources such as petroleum can cause gas migration and increase potential gas reserves. How to measure geological gas resources? Geological records study carrying out geological mapping to determine the type and size of gas reserves. Seismic log analysis. Analysis seismic data to identify rock deposits that have the potential to be gas source. Drilling experiment. Investigate rock layers below the surface to measure gas content and distribution. Case study of gas resource explosion in Cikarang. Utilization of marginal natural gas fields is one solution to overcome the energy crisis in Indonesia. For this reason, support is needed in realizing natural gas production to optimize the use of marginal gas fields, one of which is building a Zesnik LNG plant. The research carried out took the form of making a preliminary design for the natural gas purification process, a case study of the Cikarang a Pertamina marginal gas field in the West Java offshore area, which will be used as raw material for a mini LNO refinery, as well as technomic analysis. A look at the raw material specification showed that for raw material specification only the 000 removal and destruction process are used, while the H25 removal process does not need to be carried out because the content is very small and is still below the threshold requirements for an LV products. The following is a photo related to gas exploitation. Conclusion. From the description above, several conclusions can be drawn. The use of natural gas from marginal gas fleets as motor vehicle fuel shows there is a correlation between LNG demand and the distance from the liquefaction plant to gas fuel users. Several mini LNG plant technologies can be used to supply gas to gas usage location because large LNG plants do not yet have available infrastructure facilities. Utilization of natural gas from marginal fleets in Pantura as motor vehicle fuel using mini LNG plant technology by taking into account infrastructure availability, economic distance, and volume of marginal gas plants. Natural gas processing unit at mini refinery for LNG with the site capacity of 2 mmCSFD data was obtained to determine the specification for equipment and construction material as well as matters that need to be considered in the construction of a mini LNG plant. Okay, that's all my explanation. If there are any mistakes, I'm sorry because I don't speak English.